When it comes to maintenance issues, your tenants need one easy way of reporting them, and your agency needs one central location to manage them from. And so we have launched our maintenance reporting form. Your tenants can access it at any time, from any device, and reported issues are visible on a new alert within your 1090 system so that your maintenance team can deal with them quickly and efficiently. Let's walk through the process. The maintenance form is hosted by us on our secure servers and can be linked to from your website via a button like this one, giving you one place you can refer your tenants to for reporting issues. The form itself is branded for your agency and is responsive, so it will work on any device. The tenant can select the nature of the issue via a series of icons and then enter additional information to clarify the issue here. On the next stage, they can then upload an unlimited number of photos. If they are accessing the form from their phone, then they can easily access their phone's camera and gallery for these. On the next step, they enter their name, the property address, and contact details, before then being asked to confirm all of the details before submission. If they need to, they can go back to any step to make alterations before finally submitting the issue. You will then receive an email alerting you of the new issue and the tenant a confirmation email, if they enter their email address. The full details can then be accessed on a new alert in your system, here on your dashboard, or on the main alerts page here. Clicking into the alert, you can see the new issue submitted, the full details, and any photos uploaded. The details of the issue can be edited if needs be, and a maintenance job raised directly from the alert here. The system will try and match the address submitted to the correct property, or you can type the address if no match is found, and then press save to create the job. From the maintenance job, you can then deal with the issue as normal, assigning it to a supplier, getting the landlord's approval of a quote, or emailing out a job sheet to the supplier. And that's it. A quick and easy way for your tenants to submit maintenance issues managed centrally from within your 1090 system. If you would like to add this feature to your 1090 subscription, then please email us at support@1090.co.uk.